Today, I'm going to show you how to create animated cartoon videos, just like this one. I'm in Canva, and the first thing I'll do is click on Video and choose Landscape Style. Then I'll open a couple of pages. Now I want to go to Elements and search for Landscape. I'll click here on Graphics. Since I'm using a free plan, I can't use these pro ones without paying for them. I'll use this one instead. Now I'll make it bigger and edit it a little. I'll go here and change the sharpness and the saturation. Yes, that looks better. Next, I'll search for a bicycle. I want one that is already animated. I'll use this one. Time to add a few clouds. Now I need a walking person, or I'll just look for walk. I'll choose this guy. I'll move her that way. And now, let's work with the clouds. Click on it, click animate, click the bee, and then move it off a little bit like that. And I'll choose steady. For the little girl, I'll move her off the page like that. Then click on Animate, click on the bee, hold down the Shift key and pull her straight across, just like that. Then click Done. For this guy, I'll click on Animate, click on the bee, and I'm going to have him move just like that. I want you to watch right about here. Can you see he was in front of her? Let's fix that. I'll click on Position, click on Layers, and now you can see that he is up here at the top, and that's not what I want. I want her to be in front, so she will ride her bike in front of him. Okay, that's exactly what I wanted. Time to go on to the next one. Go to Elements, then to Graphics, and search for Forest. All right, so I'll choose this one. Now I'm going to look for birds. Click on Animate. I'll put this little guy right up here. And add this one down here on the ground. I'll put a bunny down here too. And how about a pond? I'll put this one down here and look for a frog and maybe a beaver by the little pond. How about a bee? I'll take the flying bee, click on Animate, click on the bee and move it like this. Same thing for the butterfly. I'll add one more. Okay. So, now you've seen 2 different ways to make some amazing animations quick in Canva. Remember, these were all made using a free account. When you're done, go to File, click on Download, MP4, make sure all the videos are chosen, and then click on Download. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.